not a Mexican. No, I'm not a Nepali. No, 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 no. Not a Korean, not a Chinese, not a Japanese, not a Mongolian, not a Native American. Can you please look beyond what meets your eyes? I'm a human being just like you. Can you treat me like one? People look down upon me because they judge me by my appearance, or rather they misjudge. My question is, how can you hate me before even knowing me? How can you be so unkind? My feelings, my sufferings, my experiences, can you empathize with that? This is the 21st century, and I'm telling you today that this has to stop. We need to stop judging people. We need to stop hurting each other. We need to stop thinking that some of us are superior just because of race or color. Here's the fact that we need to remind ourselves of every day. We all cried when we were born, and since then, we have been breathing the same air and living under the same sun. We all seek happiness, and none of us want suffering. You want to live freely? So do I. You want to be heard? So do I. You want to be treated respectfully? So do I. See, we are not that different, are we? We suffer enough in life because of many reasons. At this very moment, millions of us are dying due to COVID-19. Suffering racism at this moment is not just ridiculous, but totally unacceptable. Despite our ancestry, despite our skin color, despite our gender, we are one race called the human race. So let us be human beings and embrace all humankind. Let us be more kind and compassionate. Let us join hands to make each other's life more peaceful and happier. Let us join hands to solve each other's problems rather than creating more. We live in such a beautiful planet Earth, which is our only home. Like the beauty of the nature, like the beauty of Mother Earth, true beauty of humankind, too, lies in its color and diversity. With much love, my name is Mikmat Sering. I'm a Tibetan. Take away my name, take away my race, I will still be a human being, just like you. Thank you very much. Tashi Dili.